Joseph.
Okay, but I can tell you guys, it's okay. I will try to make a quality meeting and everything. I have a surprise for you.
Yeah.
And I propose again.
Let's do it.
With you. Drive me when I'm drunk. This is yours. You can even check all the papers. It's yours in your names. Irene Wasi.
We have to touch this case. God damn, son. Makwerekana ko afite controle by'abintu no kwitwara. Mugonga n'ubundi wanari. Yo.
I know it's not big for now, but it's what I have now. I want you to be my umusari so that I don't pay them anymore. No, it's not like that. I just want you to drive.
Me crazy, you.
Or from school when I'm on something else. It's not a joke. Okay, we are in a performance, in a between of a performance, but this is not a joke. Please follow me outside.
God damn!
Vai mostrar para ninda.
Outside.